everyone! Welcome back sa aming channel. Happy Saturday! So, it's currently 1:30 PM. Ay inaantay lang si Mr. kasi inaayos ulit nung mekaniko yung kanyang red car. So, anyway, marami na ako nagawa dito sa bahay kasi nga medyo maaga kaming nagising. Hindi rin kasi ina-expect ni Mr. na tutuloy yung mekaniko today. And pakita ko pala sa inyo itong aking bagong skincare product na ginagamit from the Alba. Ito yung kanilang Vita Toning line. And sobrang so far sa lahat ng mga Korean skincare products na nagamit ko from Beauty of Joseon, Sungbun Editor, Medicube, Lumbuzin, yon. Ito yung pinaka the best. And 3-step lang siya. Wala kasi siyang kasamang facial wash. So, first is itong kanilang The Alba Vita Toning Serum. Ayan siya. Malaki. And hindi siya ganun ka-expensive. So, super ganda nito. Hindi ako nakapag-video nung nilalagay ko to kanina. Pero sa morning, ito yung nilalagay ko. Sa evening, iba. Yung Medicube ang ginagamit ko. And, of course, hindi mawawala. After ko manganak and after ko mag-breastfeed kay Zelda, nag-start na ulit ako gumamit ng retinol. Ito yung isa naman, yung kanilang serum. Di ba? Ang ganda ng packaging. Very expensive tingnan. Pero hindi siya ganun ka-expensive. And this one is the toning cream. Ayan. And, napaka-hygienic nito. Meron siyang ganyan. May pang scoop. Ayan. Ganyan yung kanyang itsura. Kasi niya maka-glass skin. Hey, you say hi to them. Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
See, do I look pretty today?
Oh, for mama.
Yeah, that's for mamas. That's for grown-ups, not for babies. You don't need it yet because your skin is very pretty. You have a very pretty skin. Look, show them. You have a pretty skin. Ooh, like this. Very pretty. Are you a pretty Zeta? Oh no, Zelda's crying. We have to go get Zelda. Hindi ko alam kung matutuloy kami ngayon sa aming activity. Kasi si Mr. inaantay pa itong mekanikong matapos. Pero most probably yes, kasi maaga pa. So we're here guys. Mag-walking lang ulit kami dito sa trail. Si Zeta pinapakain pa namin. Let she eat it? Tignan niyo yung nangyayari dito sa cup. Kaya na-aksidente. Na-aksidente yung cup. Kasi naiwan ni Mr. Daan sa bubong. Tapos, yung pagtingin ko sa taas, andoon umaandar na kami. Tapos, ayan, syempre, nung pagpreno niya, nahulog. Kalimutan niyang nilagay niya pala doon. So, itong weather for today, mainit. 31 degrees Celsius ulit. Yeah. Dala-dala ni Zeta yung kanyang grilled cheese. Oh, this camera is so nice on this area. Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Lakad-lakad ulit tayo, guys. Dahil maganda ang panahon. Come on! What are you looking at? What's the problem? Go with Dada! She just wants to go back. Maybe she's thinking we should be on the other side. I don't know, love. Hi, Zelda. This is Zelda. Hello, Zelda, cranky baby girl. Hello. Say hello. Hi. Ito na si Pasaway Zeta. Pasaway Zeta. You pasaway? You pasaway? Yes, we're walking to the forest. Sa ibang side ulit tayo. Pero nag-walk na kami dito before. What are you doing? Are you walking in the forest? So dito, medyo mahirap kasi elevated siya. So pagka si Zeta napunta sa gilid, mataas. Mataas siya. Yung tutubi dito, iba. Ang hirap hulihin. Dati naaalala ko nung bata ako, nahuhuli ako ng tutubi. Kasi madali-dali lang siyang hulihin. Ka-size lang din naman nung nandun sa Pilipinas. Pero yung dito medyo mailap sila. Walking to to the forest. May tubig dyan sa may taas. Oops. Ate can do it. Come on. Ay, look at the there's a here. Ay, Sarah, stop doing that. What is that? So, ayan siya, guys. Pagka sa may gilid.
Oh, there's a road down there.
Yeah,
Bikes.
maybe.
Wow, that big rock.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Big
asking.
lumpy rock.
Merong ano dyan, o parang mga rocks. Well, rocks talaga siya. Hindi pa. Maybe like a trail for the bikes. It looks nice.
It's an old forest because all the trees have
Old forest.
killed everything. And there
That's
used
how
to-
it is?
The rock walls means it used to be probably sheep. And then there's no trees because the sheep ate all the trees. And also the trees are big enough that nothing small can grow.
Mm.
I don't know. It's an unusual place. Normally
Yeah,
there's not area.
should be like, normally dapat mga masukal na area yung andyan sa baba. Pero ito malinis siya. Oh,
It's grass.
kita niyo. Tira, come on.
Normally it looks like over there.
Yeah. Try natin dito dumaan sa very, makipot na daan at talagang trail talaga siyang tinatawag. It's not gonna happen. Let's go back. Hindi pwede si Zelda. Masyadong masukal at saka maliit yung kalsada. Dito tayo. Tira, you say hi guys. What are we doing? What are we doing now? Are we walking in the forest? Sira, come here. What's that? Oh, so sweet. So sweet. Are you so sweet? Zelda. Say hello. Say hello. Hello. You say hello.
Hello. Hello.
Zeta, come here. Zeta, stop playing with that stones and rocks. If it hits your head, it's gonna be ouchy. You're gonna have a boo-boo like mama. Zeta. So, dito sa may side na to, mataas naman siya. Ayan. Kanina, nandun kami sa may mataas na part. Ngayon naman, nasa baba tayo. Walang masyadong mga insekto ngayon. The boy said that there's no bugs flying around
There's no bugs flying around at the moment.
at the moment. Hey, move! Say move! No. Kiss! You kiss! Magkamukha ba sila? Whoops. Kamukha ba kayong dalawa? Yes. Say ate. Ate. Naiinis na si Zelda. Grabe, ang puputi nitong dalawa. Let's go. Ate.
Hey, get off of there. Out of the way, you.
She's gonna kick your face.
Come on. Come on.
Silang tatlo magkakamukha. Maraming mga nagbabike-bike dito ngayon. Kanina lang pala wala pa kami nakakasalubong. Pero ngayon nakadalawa na kami nasalubong. Maganda nga kasi yung weather. Although sobrang init. Wala pa naman kaming dalang water kasi ngayong water namin natapong. Yay! There's a squirrel. Ay, sobrang pink na ng mukha ni Zeta. Balik na tayo guys, naka 30 minutes na rin kaming papunta. So pabalik 30 minutes ulit. So that's a total of 1 hour. Right baby? Baby Zelda is... Hi! Say hi guys! Hello guys! You say? You say hello. You say bubblegum. She knows how to say bubblegum. Pero gum lang. Bubblegum. No. Hello!
All done, sweet pants.
So, meron kaming mga nakitang mosquitoes here. Love, do you want to know what mosquitoes is in Tagalog?
Okay.
Lamok.
Lamok.
Yeah, lamok. So, in the Philippines, if you get bitten by a mosquito, it's kinda dangerous.
Yeah, did you know that mosquito is the deadliest animal on earth?
But here, it's not really, right?
Wow.
Especially dengue.
Mosquito kills more people than any other animal.
Who said that?
It's just a fact.
What is that?
The plants?
Yeah.
You don't eat plants. Those are ferns.
Oh, yeah.
These are not ferns.
Ang daming ferns, guys. And meron kaninang tinuturo si Mr. What kind of plant is that you told me not to touch? Because
Metals.
metals, like metal, M-E-T-A-L-S.
N-E-T-L-E.
Kasi daw ano. Why? What's gonna happen if I touch it?
It's probably gonna make you bleed.
Really?
Or you'll have a bad rash and then scratching the rash will bleed.
So, yun. Pagka hindi ka rin talaga aware, huwag kang maghawak-hawak na kung ano-ano dito sa forest. Mahirap din pag may bata kaya dapat binabantayan din sila. So ito talaga yung isa sa aming greatest flex and greatest treasure as a family, yung living in the countryside. Pero hindi kasi lahat ng countryside is ganito. Dito sa countryside kung saan kami nakatira, sobrang blessed kami na napakalapit lang namin sa mga ganitong lugar. hindi na kailangang mag-drive pa ng sobrang layo para lang makapag-walking sa mga ganitong place. At saka, ang dami naming options. Hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa. Sobrang dami. Kaya ayun, isa sa mga pinagpapasalamat namin. Kaya ayaw din namin talaga mag-move out dito sa lugar na to. Pero, diba, hindi natin alam ang mangyayari in the future. But for now, we are very happy in this place. We are very happy in the place where we are living right now. Nakakapagod. Nagtakbo-takbo kasi kami ni Zita kanina. So buhat-buhat na ni Mr. si Zita dahil napagod na. Wala pa naman kaming water. Sabi ko na. Swamp. Malapit na kami sa dun sa car. Si Zelda natulog na.